Good morning everyone, it's currently 5:29 and today is going to be the new semester. It's semester 4 starting today and stream is already running. As usual I will study for 2 hours, make a short study session before, and then let's see what this day will hold for us, man. Because as I'll tell you, the start of a new semester is always very important. You have to collect all the infos from all the classes you're visiting, and yeah, it's going to be an exhausting day, I think, because I had the last 2 weeks off and I really didn't do anything for school, for university at all. But yeah, someday you're gonna start again, huh? Yeah. Right now I'm just gonna take my usual creatine, vitamins, omega 3s and so on. That's my cat. And yeah. But as tired as I am right now because I had to wake up at 5 a.m. today, and I've been waking up at about 11 or 12 a.m. for the past week. I'm also equally as excited for today because I'm going to see a lot of new friends again, which I haven't seen in a long time because I didn't take the same exams as and I just basically lived at our library for 2 months. Hey, what's up? Look what we got here. You want to talk to? Good morning. He wants to have food. It's way too early for him to have food now. He will have to wait. But yeah, I'm super excited for the day because having 2 weeks off is kind of boring, A mind always has to have something to do because, you can tell yourself when you really have nothing to do, you're just playing video games for 2 weeks, don't really see your friends because all of your friends are tired. It's not exactly fun. After about 5-6 days of this life, it kinda gets stale, nah? Yeah. As usual, dry scooping creation because I'm not wanting having to deal with mixing it in water and wait until it's settled. I hate that shit, man. What a man's gotta do, what a man's gotta do. Yeah. Yeah, what was I saying? You always have to have something to chase. When you stop chasing something, when you stop doing something, when you stop pursuing something, your life will get stale, your life will get boring. That's the kind of lesson I've had to take away from the past weeks. Yeah. Okay, studying was hard. I am very, very happy that I had some time off, but eventually you have to do something again. And you can't always just hide in your room and do nothing. I know, it's kinda stupid. It just came up to my mind right now. Alright, let's go ahead to the stream. Stream is already running for 40 minutes, but now let's have a nice study session. Start the day off with something very productive and give it my best shot, nah? I just finished my stream. I had a great session because I am going through this new book I bought. It's about forming proofs which are easy to read and good to understand, and just in general forming good mathematical proofs because I'm just in my 4th semester right now. I have to get even better. There's a lot room for improvement, and I had my cat Chico here with me the whole time. We were studying it together here. But now I have to pack all my things and head to uni because my first class will start in about an hour. I have to grab some food till then, and yeah, I will take you guys with me. There was still one thing I wanted to say because This was my first study stream for a long time, and it worked quite well. It went quite well, I think, because I have this new setup with my new cool camera here. It's a Sony 5000 Alpha 5100, and my old webcam. It's a Lexigo whatever 60 FPS cam, and I find this setup to be working quite nicely, because I like how I'm able to switch the views while studying and in the breaks. And here's my whole new study setup, my new study desk I built last week. Yeah, I just want to tell you it works quite nice. I'm very happy about that. Alright, let's start heading for uni before it starts to rain super hard. Drip check. Shush. Alright, let's go. First day in uni. Woo. Hey yo, Quag. I just arrived at the campus and I have about an hour to figure out how I'm going to do my lecture notes this semester, because I'm not happy about how I managed to do it last semester. So I have a couple of ways, but the problem is that I don't have an iPad or some sort of that. I just have a laptop. And yeah, but I will try something new. Last semester I did pen and paper, old school. Semester before I used my PC and wrote everything down, but this obviously didn't go well when studying computer science and mathematics. Yeah, so let's head in and work on that. Hey all, it's raining a bit. I'm headed to my class. It's advanced mathematics 2. It's analysis, I think. Yeah, it should be analysis. I managed to figure out how I want to organize my notes during lectures, finally. And I think now I have a pretty good system. I will use my laptop and my drawing pad and just, as everyone else does, mark down the PDF, the slides. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer, but I didn't want to do this at first when I started studying at uni, because it kind of didn't sync with me. I wanted to write it down myself, just pen and paper style, because I was used to this from school. Yeah, but hey, let's try this out this semester. Heyo, I just got back from uni. It's now 15:24. The first day went great. Nothing too out of the ordinary. I mean, the first lectures are always just some kind of revision-esque and information-esque lectures, so nothing too special there. Yeah, but nonetheless, it was great being back at uni, seeing a lot of people I haven't seen in quite some time. Eating together, having fun together at the cafeteria. Yeah, and all in all, campus life is just great in the summer semesters here in Germany. And the winter semesters are always just kind of depressing. I don't know, I wish there was another word to describe it, but depressing is just perfect. Okay, Chico, my cat, also wants to be here. As usual, always when I start recording, he comes. Always. He never comes when I just sit here. Never. No, he always leaves me alone, unless I start recording something or playing video games on my PC. You're just gonna sit there? God damn it! I hope you can still see me. Yeah. But there are a few things not cat but normal but. But there are a few things I want to talk about because, as I said before, this morning I believe, I don't know, it was quite early. I can't remember all of it. I said that this semester will be a very critical semester in my uni life because as I said, I'm in my 4th semester now. Finally, I did it because there were a couple of exams I had to take and not fail till the end of the 3rd semester, and I managed to do that. Yay! That's kind of the great hurdle in my at my university, and yeah, that's great. But in this last, I think 3 to 4 months, there are some things I have noticed about my ambitions as a student, I think you could say, because before this semester and before this exam phase, I really didn't have any kind of aspirations to do something very scientific, to become a very scientific computer scientist or even a mathematician. But I read a few books. I talked with a few of my professors, or one very cool professor. I talked with him a lot. Wrote a few emails. I heard a lot of math sorcerer videos on YouTube. He's a great guy about mathematics because I'm a computer scientist, and in the first 3 to 4 semesters I almost only do mathematics at uni. So yeah, that's that big. And for example, tomorrow I will learn concrete analysis for computer scientists. Konkrete Informatik, konkrete Analyse für Studierende der Informatik, for the few German folks. Because tomorrow I don't have any lectures, and that's the point. I don't have any lectures tomorrow, and I don't have any papers or have to do some exercises or whatever, and that's the point. I could take this day off tomorrow, but I choose to do not take this day off tomorrow because even though I don't have any real work now to do, there are always things I could be working on in university. And for me, it's concrete analysis because I struggle with analysis. I don't know, algebra is my strong suit. I don't know why I can't wrap my head around analysis. That's why I bought this book. I think it's a pretty good book. It should be a really good book. I got it recommended from my professor. But yeah, anyways, I could take this day off, but I choose to not take this day off because I want to start with full steam ahead this semester. I want to study every single day. That's why I'm doing these study streams again. 2 years ago I did my Abitur in Germany. It's like the equivalent of A-level in United Kingdom, I think. I don't know. It's kind of complicated. It's not the same anywhere in the world. Yeah. And then I select off, and now I've finally managed to commit to study streaming again because I kind of enjoyed it. Okay, that's why I built this whole setup here. But anyways, yeah, I want to dedicate at least half of my time to university. That's a very big commitment, I know that, and I know that that's not for everyone, and I know that's not even expected for most uni students. I mean, I'm at a pretty good and hard university. That's that. I have to do this, or you have to study very much, but that's not the point I want to bring over here. I want to commit to something I can be very proud of in the long term, because in the last 4 months I internalized this concept of to be something special, to be something special, to be extraordinary. You have to do things that are out of order, not out of order, but that are uncommon. You have to, yeah, I think you get what I mean. To be extraordinary, you have to do things that are unordinary, and most of the time you will be the one stepping out of the line. You will have to do things of which other people think you're crazy, or
that it can't be a good thing to stay up at 5 a.m., for example, and just study for 2 hours and then go to uni and study again for 6 to 8 hours. But that's especially what I want to chase here. And trust me, I have enough. And trust me, I have enough of. And trust me, I have enough of free time. And I have enough of spare time, and I do a lot of other activities then. But that's just something I have decided for me for this 4th semester. Yeah, and I wanted to get this point through because maybe a few people out there who are watching, who are listening right now, are going through something very similar, or have went to something similar. If you have went to something similar, write it in the comments. It would help me a lot, and I will find it very interesting. But I think many people could benefit from this mindset of just being, of you have to do something out of the ordinary to be extraordinary, and this doesn't only apply to academics. It also applies to sports, art, music, other fields, almost every other field out there I can think of. Yeah, and this I wanted to convey to you. Yeah. Right now I'm going to write a few things down in my notepad. I always carry this around, and when I have something in my head, I write it down. Or to-do lists are also what I use this thing for. And I will end this for today. Later on I will have karate practice, because I will have to take a new karate degree. I'm planning to become finally a blue belt in a couple of weeks. Yeah. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and see you tomorrow in my stream or the other video.